Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I've got 2 days worth of sales and I've got one really awesome big sale of something I just got out of a bulk box. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, I'm going to show you what I sold in these last 2 days. I'm going to tell you what my earnings were, not what it actually sold for, but my earnings were, tell you how much I paid for it, deduct that, write it on the board, add it all up at the end, and let you know what my total profits were for 2 days worth of sales. All right, so I've got this stainless steel glow-in-the-dark Friends rings. Cost me $1. I'm looking for a marker. All right, cost me $1. $1.05 is all I made on that. And so this one was actually only a 5-cent profit, but I did make my money back. And I've had those on my store for a while. Then I've got a new with tags Chewbacca Burnout graphic t-shirt. This I got from the Goodwill outlet for 50 cents. $10.05 is what I earned, and so I'm at $9.55. Now, one thing I want to explain is a lot of people think, why in the world would you only want to make 5 cents on that one item? Just make your money back up and then make 5 cents. Well, sometimes if you have this item, the Friends rings on your store, they go to your closet to look for that, and then they find this, which they like even better, and then you make the $9. And so the more items you have on there, the more you can entice people to find your store that maybe wouldn't have found it before because of the unique variety you have on there. Then I've got an alcove throw and booty black and red plaid blankets with little booties. That cost me $2 out of a liquidation box. My earnings were $5.25. Take my $2 off. $3.25 are my profits there. Then, as many of you, if you've been following my YouTube channel, you know I've been buying boxes of intimates, which has been really awesome. I've got a women's 2-pack seamless black briefs underwear, those microfiber kind. Cost me $1 out of a liquidation box. $5.05 is what I earned, so $4.05 are my profits. Then I've got this fleece Kansas Jayhawks throw. Really, really nice. It's 50 by 60, I believe. It is 50 inches by 60 inches. I got this for $2 out of a liquidation box. $4.25 is what I earned, so $2.25. I do have more of those, so check those out, and you'll be really excited to be able to get those. Then I have, I had gotten all these undergarments, like I said, out of intimates, and so I actually made some fun. Instead of doing individual listings for something I wouldn't make a lot of money on, I made a 5-pack of all the same size underwear. So these are all like really, really cute, stylish, sexy underwear, and so I made a 5-pack. All of the ones in this bag are size small, and so I probably got about $1 invested in all of those. $14.40 is what I earned. So $13.40 are my profits on that. And it's a good deal. You get 5 pair of really nice, soft underwear. Then I've got this belt. It's a new day, new with tags. This came out of a liquidation box for $1. $2.25 is what I earned. So $1.25 are my profits. And then, like I said at the beginning, I had a really, really good sale. So my last bulk box that I unboxed, it was a big pallet and it had some shoes in it. I bought it mostly for the men's shoes, but I had a pair of brand new Birkenstocks in there. So I was really, really excited. They're super cute sandals. And so I ended up paying only about $3 for them, and my earnings were $40. And so I actually made $37 on a pair of Birkenstock sandals. I'm super excited about that sale. So that was a huge profit for me. And then I've got, of course, my intimates, a women's lace underwear bra, Exhilaration brand. I paid $1. $2.05 was my earnings, so I'm at $1.05 for that particular bra. Then I'm going to wander down to this side. I've got another bra. It's a women's everyday Gilligan and O'Malley purple violet one. $4.05 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid, so $3.05 are my profits on that. Then I have a Prologue V-neck sleeveless comfy tank top, brand new with tags. The original price was $13. This person got a deal, only paid $8. My actual earnings were $3.25. I got that out of a liquidation box for $1, so I'm at $2.25. And then I've got a stainless steel spinner love ring. It's a really cool ring where, I don't know if you can see on the video, but it's got a center section that spins while the base of it stays stationary. And so I've got ones that say love on them that are silver. I've got some gold and silver ones that say Jesus on it, and also some silver on silver ones that say Jesus on it. Really, really nice. They can be men's or women's rings. So I ended up paying about 50 cents for that from a wholesaler, brand new. And so I sold it for $1.05. So I ended up with a total profit of 55 cents for that ring. So if you like those rings, go ahead and check them out. Then I have another pair of the women's 2-pack seamless black briefs underwear. And so I sold that for my earnings were $5.05. On that one. Oh, I skipped this bra. I'll come back to it. So $5.05 were my earnings on those pair of underwear. $1 is what I paid, so $4.05. Yeah, I almost tried to skip this one. Sorry, guys. So let me go back up to this one. This one is a high apex push-up bra. Almond cream is the color, size 36B. $12 is what I earned. Like I said, most of my undergarments were only $1. So $11 was my profit there. And then last but not least is another pair of these microfiber 2-pack of panties. They're really, really soft, have no seams. And so $6.05 is what I earned on that. $1 is what I paid. And so I'm at $5.05. So I'm going to add everything up, let you know how many orders actually were in these last 2 days of sales, and get right back to you. All right, so I got everything added up. 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark. $97.80 for a total of 15 separate orders. So, and my biggie was the Birkenstocks, where I earned $37 total. Now remember, all these numbers are after I paid myself back for what I actually purchased a lot of these products for. And so this is total in-pocket profit, $97.80. Hopefully it's been helpful to see what you can earn on 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.